Good morning, students. I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School and RIMC. Students, is class of reasoning and our topic is logical Venn diagrams. Let's start. We have studied about the basic of logical Venn diagram and we are continuing the questions of logical Venn diagram. Let's start question number 7. In question number 7 we have to draw a Venn diagram for truck, ship, and goods. Okay, we have to draw the Venn diagram for truck, ship and goods. Let's see. Truck and ship are different to each other, but both are used to import and export goods. So here is goods. Okay, and some goods are imported and exported by truck. Okay, then the relationship for some is like this. Okay, and some goods are imported or exported from ship. Then the Venn diagram will be like this. Okay, let's see it again. We have to draw the Venn diagram for truck, ship and goods. Okay, truck and ship are different from each other, but some goods are imported or exported by trucks and some goods are imported and exported by ship. So the relationship will be like this. Here is goods and here is trucks, and it is for the sum, relationship of sum. Okay, some goods are imported or exported by trucks and some goods are imported or exported by ships. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Okay, now we start the question number 2. It is different type of relationship. Okay, question number 8. Travelers, bus and train. We have to draw the Venn diagram for travelers, bus and train. Okay, let's start. Here's travelers, bus and train are different from each other. Okay, but some travelers travels from bus and some travelers travels from train. Then it will be like this. Here is travelers, here is train, and some travelers travels by train. So it is for the relationship of some, and some travelers travels from bus. So here it will be bus, and some travelers travels from bus. It is Venn diagram for travelers, bus and train. Bus and train are different from each other, and some travelers travels from bus and some travelers travels from train. So here is travelers and some travelers travels from train. So it is for relationship of some, and some travelers travels from bus. So it is for relationship of some. Okay, it will be Venn diagram for travelers, bus and train. Okay, now let's see. Question number 9. We have to draw the Venn diagram for red, color and tree. Okay. Now see. Here is red and here is tree. Both are different from each other. Both are different from each other. So the Venn diagram will be like this, and red will be in the category of color, and color and tree are different from each other. So red will be in the color. It means all red are colors. So it is for relationship will for all. Okay, because all red are colors. So the red will be in the category of color. But if you draw it like this, then it will be wrong. If you draw red and here is color, then it will be wrong, because all red are colors, but all colors are not red, because colors may be white, blue, black. So it will be wrong pattern. Okay, all red are colors, but all colors are not red. Okay, so that it will be the right format for this Venn diagram, and it is relationship of all. When anything will be all, then it will be in the category of it. Okay, now we start question number 10. Question number 10 is food, curd and spoon. Okay, now let's start. Here it is curd, and curd is different from spoon. Then the Venn diagram will be like this. Now see, curd will be in the category of food, and food is also different from spoon, because spoon is not in the category of food. Spoon is used to eat food, but spoon is not in the category of food, but the curd is in the category of food. So it is relationship for all, because all curd are in food, but all food are not in curd. I explained you in last, because in food milk will be not in the category of curd. So the all curd are in the food category of food, but all food are not in the category of curd. Okay, so it is relationship for all. I hope you got it. Now we start next question. Question number 12. Let's start. Question number 12 is for week, day, year. Week, day, year. Okay, now we start. Here is day. It is day. And day will be in the category of week. But week will be not in the category of day. And week will be in the category of year. Okay. So all days are in weeks, all weeks are in years, but all years are not in week, all years are not in days, all weeks are not in days. Okay. So the day will be also in the year and also in the week, and the week will be in the category of year. Okay. So the Venn diagram for week, day and year will be like this. Okay, I hope you got it, because days are in the category of week and weeks are in the category of years, so the days are also in the category of years. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Now we start the question number 13. Question number 13 is, when we have to represent a Venn diagram for house, bedroom and bathroom. So let's start. Here is bedroom. Okay, it will be the circle for bedroom, and here is bathroom. Both are different from each other, so it will be like this, and both are in the category of house. So house is here. It will be the Venn diagram for house, bedroom and bathroom. Okay, because bedroom and bathroom are different from each other and both are in the category of house, so it will be like this. So I hope you got it. So please note down it in your notebook and practice it. We will continue it in next class. Okay, thank you.